No. Okay, welcome to my free-to-play. Yeah, free-to-play, episode 1. Let's get right into this. First, I'm gonna upgrade my town hall to level 2. Finish that for the sake of the video. And I'm gonna upgrade it to level 3, 4, and then skip it so I can get the Heroes Hall, not the Heroes Hall, the Heroes Altar. Okay, sign up Google Plus, you can't get that. If you're on iOS, login reward, get that. This is gonna be like starting off with 500 gems. Tell your friends. Don't actually have to tell your friends. Get in there. Click some. I don't even know if you have to click something. Get out. Look, things you tell your friends. 100 free gems. Buy gems. Don't buy gems. You're supposed to do it. Just watch to earn gems. Because watching and Tapjoy count as buying gems. That's also how you can get Minotaur and Spirit Mage, but I am not going to be doing Tapjoy at all. The only thing I'm going to be doing is like that is this, so I can get the 200 gems at the beginning. Okay, wait for it. Receive 2 gems. Look, thinks you bought gems. Claim it. Right now, 504 gems. It's pretty awesome. I'm do that later. Link. I'm not going to do it right now. Do it later, cause like I don't want to have to go through the installation and registration and everything like that. Okay, in order to claim the Frost Witch, I'm just going to go ahead and build this. You need to have this in order to get the Frost Witch. Okay, now I'm going to just wait for it. I don't know why I didn't skip it. I should have skipped it, but whatever. It's fine. Okay, go ahead and claim it. She's okay. She'll get you going at the beginning. I hope I roll a good hero. Okay, I'm going to go in. You can level it up right now, but I don't suggest you. Don't give that slime to any of those 2 heroes. They're bad. And don't ever hire with honor badges. You're gonna need them when you get when you level your heroes up. And charge a little more advanced, but if you do happen to get 30, just go ahead and get Angel. If you don't, roll Druid. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get a 3. And waiting. Oh my word. Well, any normal person freaking out right now. Me, I'm not normal. But I will freak out. Yelling, screaming, that's what people usually do. I mean, I rolled a Pumpkin Duke and a Druid. It's not that big of a deal. But I'm just gonna do this. Give you guys a 3-second head start. Unplug, turn down, anything like that. But here we go. Brace yourself. Oh my word! Pumpkin Duke! Pumpkin Duke! Yes! And Druid. Man, I can heal and get that Celebrate off. That's why we keep the Gelatinous. That is just amazing right there. Yes, that is awesome. Yes, yes, Pumpkin Duke and Druid. Pumpkin Duke's evil smile. And Druid's just looking like a boss. That's what we saved our Gelatinous for. Give it to the Pumpkin Duke. Next episode. See you guys when I see you guys.